What's up, art nerds, and welcome to the art vlog. This is going to be a series just highlighting all my travels, my adventures, and just taking you through my brain and my process of everything. I do want to say, please excuse any of the early videos and audio that you see in this, because it's a learning curve and I'm learning how to get better. And I just want you to hold tight and know that, everything's going to be all right. And we're going to have fun together, I hope. And we're going to paint a lot. Well, I'm going to paint a lot. You're probably just going to watch and then want to paint. So I hope you go paint. But anyway, okay, here we go. Today I am in Fort Myers, Florida, and I'd rather not be in Florida because I really don't like it here. But instead of just being, tired and hating Florida, I'm gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna try to find somewhere to paint, and I'm going to do a small little painting on a little card I have. And it looks like there's a bunch of boats behind me, so I think I'm gonna kind of skate around and find somewhere to paint or something, or just find something to do, I guess. So here we go. You can see that the hurricane has a lot of things fenced off or broken or something. So I'm trying to find a nice spot that's also in the shade because it's really hot out. Kind of nasty. I'm out here in a random courtyard downtown, and I couldn't really find a spot to paint down by the water that was in shade because it's just way too hot out. But this spot's pretty cute. I like it. I brought my little bag. I forgot to show everyone. I'll take a video later of what's in it. I brought a little bag of just small essential watercolor things. Just do a really small sketch, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll show you a video when I am done. Today was the first time in a few weeks that I went outside and painted, and it was fun. It was very therapeutic. I wouldn't say I've been going through an art block lately, but it's definitely been kind of this like storm cloud over me, where when I have the time, it's almost like I'm not sure which direction to go. Like I have so many things I got my hands in right now. So maybe that's a sign for me to pull back and focus on just one thing, but that's not how my brain operates. I love just like bouncing between different projects. I have, sketches, I have regular like bigger paintings, I have things on my iPad that I'm doing, I have the kids book that I'm working on, all while I'm working itself too and everything. But I guess today, after rambling, I'm just gonna do a little sketch in my sketchbook and work on my kids' book a little. I'll talk about that when I get to that. But yeah. Why be an artist? It's very confusing and hard, I took this picture when I was at the beach near Fort Myers a few days ago, and it's just a little bird on a post out in the ocean. So it was a nice little practice to just paint this and relax for a bit. Hello, you probably can't hear me well, but I am at the outlet malls. I just bought some shoes, ate some pretzels, and now I'm going to paint a little sketch, and you're going to watch me, or you can turn it off, whatever you want to do.
You won't hurt my feelings. I understand.
Currently looking into buying a nicer camera instead of just using my phone all the time, because the quality is just not as good and the sound's always awful. So instead of like losing half of my videos to sound, because when I do this, the sound always goes out, or background noise, I just bought this $30 mic, so let's try it. I'm gonna feel like one of those TikTok vloggers that do the man on the street things all the time now with this. But all right, so here's the test. Now here's with the microphone. Awesome, so I think the microphone is way better just by listening to it on my phone. I can tell a huge difference already. And I just want, you know, the quality to be way better for the viewer, which is you, because I love you and I care about your opinions. Until you say mean things to me and I cry.
So I'm out here in Fort Myers at a flea market, and it's pretty crazy. There's some interesting characters and some interesting things, so I'm gonna try to find a cool place to paint. Drawing in public is strangely way more awkward than talking to a camera in public. But I'm trying to get over that fear. All right, two things. One, I drew on the wrong side of the paper, so the paint's not really sticking. And two, it's really hard to film and paint at the same time, so I'm just gonna cut to the end right now.
Welcome to the beach. Today we are painting this beautiful shell that I just found while I was walking, and that's about it. So here's the video. So if you watch my videos, you know that I love using the water in the area that I'm painting. So today happens to be this giant puddle. So I'm gonna take just a little. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. I don't think they'll miss it much. There you have it. Here is a shell I painted on the beach. I am covered in sand. It smells like dead fish, and it's super, super windy. So I'm gonna pack it up. Peace out.